Hey guys, it's Sarah with ExtremeTerrain.com, and today we have a review and install of the 3-inch side step bars in black, fitting your 05 and newer Toyota Tacoma Double Cab. These side steps feature steel construction with a durable gloss black powder coat finish. These steps feature a 3-inch round curved design with rugged non-slip pads for easy entry in all weather. Coming in at around $140, these steps are on the lower end price-wise, making them a budget-friendly way to add a side step to your Tacoma. I'm giving this install a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. It can be done in approximately 2 hours and features direct bolt-up installation. All right, with that said, let's jump right into our install. For this install, we used an impact gun, a small extension, 13mm socket, and a flathead screwdriver. All right, so before we can get our steps onto our Tacoma, we need to bolt up the brackets. We're gonna start with our front bracket, which is stamped driver front. Now these brackets are all different, so make sure you're grabbing the correct one. All right, let's get this bolted up to the Tacoma. Before we can install our brackets, we need to remove these plastic plugs using a flathead screwdriver. Once the plug is out, you'll see the threaded hole where we install our brackets. Grabbing your bracket for the driver's front, line it up to the 2 holes, and install with the provided hardware. Grab your 13mm socket and tighten these down. Now if you need to, you can definitely come back and loosen these later if you need to adjust at all. Repeat that process with the next 2 mounting points. Grab the bracket marked DC for driver center, line it up to the holes, and thread in your hardware. Grab your 13mm socket and tighten them down. And again, you can definitely adjust these later if for some reason they don't line up. Repeat that at the back of your Tacoma. Grab the bracket marked DR for driver rear and the corresponding hardware. And get it installed. Grab your 13mm socket and tighten this down. With all 3 brackets in place, grab your step and set them on top of the brackets. Grab the hardware that's designated for the step to the bracket and install them in the threaded holes underneath your step. Repeat that process with the other 2 mounting points. Once all the hardware is installed, grab your 13mm socket and tighten these down. Okay, so that's gonna do it for the review and install of these side steps. Remember, for all things Tacoma, keep it at ExtremeTerrain.com.